Run with the river and its creek. Do you feel the shiver of a long gone bee? Walk up the mountain till you reach the peak. Your eyes are fading and there's blood on your sleeve. There's darkness come to meet you in all that you feel. With your teeth on the wall and your feet out the door. It's just you, yeah, you and you and you. Yeah, you can make a difference. It's killing me inside. We're running from the truth. No one said that it's a crime. It's killing me inside. We're running from the few, but we're riding so high. There's no right or wrong. It's your opinion on my very own songs. Take off your shoes and take a walk with me. This hopper's working in the fields once known. Yeah, well, she would move out the way if she had known where we're going. Will you take the blame? Take it all on me. Don't you know that no one can take away our mother? There'll be no one left who can really protect us. It's killing me inside. We're running from the truth. No one said that it's a crime. It's killing me inside. We're running out of fuel, but we're riding so high. It's killing me inside. We're running from the truth. No one said it's a crime. It's killing me inside. We're running out of fuel, but we're riding so high. It's killing me inside. We're running out of truth, but we said it's a crime. It's killing me inside. We're running out of